how much longer are you gonna be?
Hey, relax. We have on-demand hot water. Give me 20 minutes.
Okay, but I just finished dishes. I need to get ready too.
All right, I'll be done in 15.
All right.
Hi, I'm Matt Arndt.
And I'm Bart Taylor. Thank you for joining us for another first-time camper video from Keystone RV.
Hey Bart, what are we looking at today?
Glad you asked, Matt. Today we are looking at the Tankless, or commonly referred to on-demand water heaters. And with advancements in technology, the RV industry is starting to see a trend to the tankless water heaters instead of traditional tank heaters we're accustomed to. And Keystone RV is going all in.
We have three different brands here on the table. We have a Girard, we have a Truma, and a Furrion. You can see they're all very similar and they take up similar space in the RV. They still have exhaust vents, pressure temperature relief valves, and the typical in and out water connections. Just no tank full of water. Bart, what are some of the advantages?
Thought you'd never ask. One advantage of tankless technology is the conservation of energy usage. Unlike the traditional tank water heater, it does not use energy to maintain the hot temperature. Regardless if you're using it or not, it only operates when you turn the hot water faucet on and put a demand on it. Another advantage is not running out of hot water as it used to with a tank. Most RVs have a 6-gallon water heater, and that doesn't get you very far in the shower.
It reminds me of basic training. Get in, get wet, lather up, get out. Man, that's not very refreshing.
Not at all. And once you run that 6 gallons out, there's a recovery period for the water to restore the water to temp in the tank. Not the most pleasant experience. Keystone is helping to remove that unpleasant experience with an endless supply of hot water. That is a huge bonus to camping better. Okay, back to our features and advantages. Depending on which brand, the tankless heater may have a control valve or a thermostat to help you set the best temperature for you and your family. This was not an option before, but now you have a little more control. The system functions on 12-volt, very low amp draw, and propane gas, which means you have off-grid capability and are not dependent on 120-volt voltage.
Okay, since there's no tank, does this change anything for winterization?
Water heater bypass valves for winterizing are no longer needed. This saves you a step in winterizing your RV. Refer to other Keystone videos to help you understand winterizing your RV using either of these two methods, using compressed air or RV antifreeze. An important fact to understand is this water heater is equipped with an antifreeze or winter use system. The purpose of this system is to keep the water heater from freezing when the RV is in different climates and different freezing conditions. This only protects the water heater. When RVs are used in the winter, the water lines are subject to freezing. This is not a defect or warrantable.
Okay, are there any important tips I need to know about this heating system?
Absolutely. The rate of flow affects the temperature of the water as it is heated. For example, if you have the kitchen sink hot faucet turned fully on, the water has less time to heat as it is passing through the heater. If you reduce the faucet flow, you can maximize the heating of the water being used. Think of it this way. If you increase water flow, you will have reduced water temperature. If you decrease the water flow, you raise the temperature. You can also turn on the cold water with the hot to achieve the desired temperature. Think of it like driving. Fast is bad, slow is good.
All right, that's good. What about low water pressure?
Sure, city water connections at RV parks can have low or varying water pressure. If this condition occurs and cannot be resolved, then we recommend filling the freshwater tank and using the onboard water pump.
One last question. Will the customer see hot water instantly at their faucet?
That's a good question, Matt. And the answer is no. The tankless water heater must see a demand on the system before it turns on to heat. Turning on a hot water faucet allows the water heater to sense the demand, which starts the water flow. It then ignites the burner and then begins heating the water as it passes through. Just like a traditional water heater, you will run the cold water out of the line till the hot water presents itself. The difference is you get an endless supply of hot water and the burner turns off when the water is shut off. Unlike a traditional tank where the burner continues to run till the tank of water reaches its preset temperature and turns on and off multiple times a day to maintain that temperature when it's not even being used.
Keystone RV listens to your camping needs and how you wish to camp better. With the added features and benefits of installing tankless water heaters, you now have more time with hot water to enjoy your shower, regardless of how many campers are in your RV.
We hope this video helps you understand tankless water heaters and the usage and advantages a little better. If you have any suggestions for another video, drop us a line below, hit that like button, and thanks for watching. From Matt and I and all of us at Keystone RV, camp better, and we'll see you out there.